Turning now to developing news in the Murdaugh double murder trial. The big story in the courtroom today is Murdaugh's defense team asking for a mistrial. This as we hear testimony from a housekeeper who says she considered Alec Murdaugh a friend, as well as other witnesses on the stand. News 2's Brendan Clark is live outside the Colleton County courtroom, and Brendan, today has certainly been a compelling day in that room.
Yeah, day 15 here at the Alec Murdaugh murder trial. We are 3 weeks already into this trial now. And as you were saying, during testimony of the family housekeeper during the double murders, Dick Harpootlian, the defense, filed a motion for a mistrial, saying all this testimony from the housekeeper, the conversations he had with Maggie Murdaugh and talk about the financials, was hearsay. Well, the judge rejected that motion and the trial quickly resumed. Now, on the stand, let's talk a little more about Blanca Simpson, a housekeeper for the Murdaughs at Moselle. She knew the family for years, especially close to Maggie. Much of the testimony was about the clothes Alec was wearing the night of the murders. Simpson saying Alec told her to clean up the day after the murders, and that she washed the khaki pants that he was most likely wearing the night the murders take place. She added she never found the shirt and the shoes he was wearing that same night.
Have you ever seen that shirt again?
No, sir, not to my knowledge.
Have you ever seen these shoes again that he's wearing here?
No, sir.
You don't know whether he wore those shoes the night of the 7th over to his mama's house, do you?
I don't know that. I wasn't there.
You don't know what he wore over there, correct?
That's correct. I wasn't there.
He may have even worn that shirt that you said you never saw again, correct?
Now, Simpson also said Alec and Maggie were receiving threats as a result of the boating accident that killed Mallory Beach, and which son Paul was driving that boat. Added she thought Maggie worried about the amount of money being asked for in that lawsuit, and said Maggie didn't think Alec was being entirely truthful to Maggie about it. That was the morning testimony. We have had several more witnesses taking the stand this afternoon. Right now, a cellular expert with the FBI is testifying about where the cellular data and all the information comes from on the night of the murders. Now, the state says they plan on wrapping up testimony midweek next week. That's when it's up to the defense to start bringing their witnesses to the stand. They say that should take about a week as well. We'll have much more coming up with News 2's Riley Benson. Team coverage on News 2 at 5 o'clock and 5:30. Carolyn, back to you.
Brendan, thank you. And of course, you can count on 2 to keep you updated with new information during the Murdaugh murder trial. Coming up tonight on News 2 at 5:30, I will be joined in this studio by law expert attorney Ronnie Richter of the Bland Richter Law Firm. He will provide more insight about today's testimonies in court and what it means for the trial.